In this video, I'll guide you through how to permanently close your Twilio account. Whether you're moving on to a different service or simply no longer need your account, closing it is a straightforward process. I'll walk you through each step to ensure it's done correctly and securely. First things first, let's head over to the Twilio website. Open your preferred web browser and type in twilio.com. Once the homepage loads, make sure you're logged into your account. If not, enter your login credentials to access your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the admin drop-down menu. Click on this menu to reveal a list of options related to your account. This menu is your gateway to managing your account settings, so it's an important step in the process. Next, from the list of options that appears, you'll want to select Account Management. Clicking on this will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your Twilio account. This is where you'll find all the controls you need to modify or cancel your account. Once you're on the account management page, look for the General Settings option. Click on this to access a range of settings related to your account's general information and status. It's here that we can initiate the process of closing your account. Scroll down to the bottom of the General Settings page. Here you'll find the option to close account. This is a crucial step as it's the final action you'll need to take to permanently shut down your Twilio account. Before you click, make sure you've backed up any important information you might need later, as closing your account will result in the loss of access to your data and services associated with Twilio. Once you're sure you want to proceed, click on Close Account. You might be prompted to confirm this decision as Twilio wants to ensure that account closures are intentional and secure. Follow any additional instructions provided to finalize the closure. And that's it. Your Twilio account is now permanently closed. Remember, this action is irreversible, so be certain that you no longer need access to the account or any associated services before proceeding. If you ever decide to use Twilio again, you'll have to create a new account from scratch. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more guides like this one. See you in the next video.